She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hi! So I'm just on a walk at a local state park near me. Really great weather today. It's super sunny and it's like mid 40s in Fahrenheit. So great day for a walk. Just getting my steps in for the day and I'll show you guys some clips. I've got my Taylor Swift playing in my headphones, so you know it's a good walk. It's really cute because there's like swans in the water. I'll see if I can show you.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show.
Just finished my walk. I actually hadn't been here since the summer. Once it got cold, I was just walking more in my neighborhood and another park closer to me. So it was actually just really nice to be back here and walk and be near the water. And I saw a lot of swans. So it was just really cute and I had a nice time. I got in, let's see how many steps I got in. So it's much later now, it's almost 10 p.m. So now I'm just going to take off a little bit of makeup that I'm wearing. I'm going to do a face mask, brush my teeth, get ready for bed, watch a show, and then call it a night.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Hi. Okay, so I'm still trying to get used to this vlogging thing, but basically I woke up today, I did my little morning routine, like I drank my hot water, I did 10-minute yoga exercise that I do from Peloton, and then I did my 13 to 15-minute video for Chloe Ting. Over the summer I tried to do her like full workout, but now I just pick one or two videos that I really like and just do those and kind of make my own routine from it. So I've been doing this one video, it's a full body workout, I've just been doing that every day. This is my last week until my second year of med school starts again, so I'm trying to just relax this week, kind of get my life together. I'm probably going to paint my nails and just do little things like that. And then I have to shower, I made a hair appointment, I just got a new planner, which I'll show you in a little bit. Things are just gonna get really crazy coming next week, so I just need to make everything clean, plan for school, and all that jazz. And then I went to Home Goods last night with my mom, so maybe I'll show you a couple things I got. So see you soon. I'm back. It's a lot later now. It's like 3:30 p.m. I got my hair cut, so I really like it. I basically asked for them to do like a curtain bang situation, and then I just got layers. I cut off like 5 inches. My hair was getting so long and I had cut it myself over the summer a couple times. I just wanted to go get it cut nicely because I hadn't gotten a haircut at a salon in literally a year, last January. So I thought it was time. I like it. So I painted my nails this like creamy nude pink color. It's this nail polish by Essie. It's the color Crop Top and Roll. I really like it. It's a nice color. It comes on really thick and just looks really nice. I feel like this is a really nice like fresh color for the new year. So now I'm gonna drink my afternoon chai. Hi, it's Thursday, January 7th. I just have Multani Matti on my face. I had some maskne around my mouth, so I just kind of did my maskne routine. I'll link it if you guys want to see it. But that routine's helped me so much. I do this facial steamer that's right there, and then I wash my face, and I put on this face mask. This is Multani Matti. It's also known as Fuller's Earth. It's so good for your face. It has bentonite clay in it, and that just like helps really cleanse your face. So I hadn't done this in a while, but I figured I'd get on that. Okay, I'm back, showered. I put some makeup on, just a little bit of concealer. I know I look very Valentine's Day today. So I want to show you a couple things I got from Home Goods. We recently got like a new countertop for my bathroom because it like broke and stuff. So it's a really cute countertop, has like marble and it's really cute. So then I just kind of wanted to redecorate it and get new toothbrush holders and soap dispensers because the ones I've been using are just ancient and just wanted like a more modern and mature look. I'll show you a couple things that I got. And also now you could see my hair because I got my hair cut and blow dried out yesterday. So the first thing I got is this soap dispenser. It's really cute, it's gray, it matches the marble countertops, and I really love this pattern. And then I just got a whole matching set. So I got this toothbrush holder. And it has 3 different sections, which I like. So one for my toothbrush, my sister, and then our toothpaste. So it's like the same pattern. And I got this toilet cleaner holder. But it's nice because it matches the whole set. So it'll actually look pretty and not gross. I got this shower curtain. So I really like this pattern. It's blue, so it adds like some color. And it looks like that. And then, of course, got these 2 picture frames. This is a light pink one. They have a whole Valentine's Day collection out. And this is a gold one with the heart frame. I just thought these were super cute. And the last thing I got was this 2021 planner. So I really like this calendar. It's so cute. I love the flowers, and it says 2021 in gold. And the spiraling was just really important to me. This one's cute because it comes with stickers. Each month starts off with a nice quote. I like that at the beginning of the month. It gives you like this little layout to plan for the whole month, so you can write like your monthly goals, things to do that month, birthdays, important dates, all that stuff. Okay, so I decided to sit on my bed. I really don't want to sit on my desk. I'm just gonna plan my semester finally.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
That was the end of this vlog. I'm just gonna put together like little bits and pieces of my week, and hopefully it flows nicely. Thank you guys for following along and watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the